Okay guys, I'm back, and this time I'm going to do a really big one. First off, I just want to acknowledge the sponsors of my website. So thank you all for being there and sponsoring me. Makes me very happy. So this is a big one, as you can see. Big canvas. I'll just put it on the side for a bit because we're going to load up a big pouring cup. And I'm looking for a new one. Nah, that's not a big one. I'll just use one of these. Let's see. What is this? This is 2.5, so that is a quarter of a liter. When I do one of these 40 by 40s, I do 4 cups and I do some white background. So that would be like, say, 300. Well, I need a little bit more than one of these. But that doesn't matter, we'll do it anyway. So first off, we got to choose which color we're going to put some silicone in. And I think I'll go for, let's see, I think I'll go for the white. Oh, I got to watch my head, that my head isn't in the way. Because I've got the iPad up higher than usual. And that way, you know, my head gets in the way, so I gotta watch out for that. So we got some in the white, and I'm going to stir it in pretty much. And let me check the other colors. And they're pretty well. They're pretty much the good consistency, as you can see. It's just pouring off the stick like honey. One continuous little stream. I got a lot of paint mixed up. Let's see if you can see it. See that? That's a lot of paint. But I'll be putting on the lids so that I can save some for tomorrow. So here we go. I'm going to start with some of this. Oh no, I'm going to pour it from really low because I want to have some really nice rings. So I'm going to fill this one up pretty much up to the top. And as you can see, I'm just layering it in, not pouring it up from up high so it mixes, because I want some nice separate colors. That's what I'm going for. A little bit of dark on that side, a little bit of dark on that side, then back to the turquoise on top of that, a little bit of light blue, and again I'm going to come in with the white because the white has the silicone in it. That's about it. How much do I have in there? Yep, that's a quarter of a liter. I'm going to do one more. See that I fill it up really. Maybe I'll just be able to do it with this cup. We'll see. And I do have the I do want to sort of go through it with the stick, but I won't. Okay, rolling up the sleeves. Oh, I got to show you one thing I found on the beach. This I found on the beach. Look at that. That was on the bottom of the ocean for a long time. It's already got that really beautiful, you know, what the sand does. That's kind of cool, isn't it? But I just could not leave that. Look at that with the emblem on there. How pretty that is. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I was thinking maybe I would cut the bottle like that and use it as a vase or something like that. I don't know. Or put all my sea glass in there. I could do that too. There was a time that I sort of saved sea glass. I bought it off internet, eBay, all sorts of stuff. Sometimes they pay a lot of money for that, for the sea glass, especially if it's red or colors like that. So again, we have the bottom, and we, you know, cut out the triangles so the paint can go underneath. And I'm putting it in the middle. This is about the middle, I think. Yeah, that's the middle. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to do little pores like that. This is really satisfying. This is fun. Okay, come on, other color please. It'll come. There it comes. Maybe a little more like that. Need some more on this side. And you can stop anytime you want. See how pretty that is? Okay, here we go again. Maybe just pour it like that. I'm not sure if I have enough. We'll see. I just might get my little stick and swipe it. Let's see, I've got a little one right here. Get everything out of the little cup. There it is. I am going to torch it. Just to get rid of all those little bubbles. Tiny little sills I'm seeing. And maybe we can, oh, look at that, that is pretty. That looks like a starfish. That is kind of cool. Wow. I can't hold it up because then it might drip in the middle, but we'll see. I'll show you at the in the end. Okay. I don't think I have enough, but I'm going to try to keep it circular. So I'm doing this very slowly. As you can see, the cells are getting bigger. It's kind of cool, isn't it? It is. So come down here again. I would like that one part in the middle, a little bit in the middle. See that? Okay, well, I'm pretty sure I don't have enough paint, but I can always scoop some up. So that's going over the edge. And here it comes down very slowly. I'm going to let it go straight over. There it is. Wow, look at that. And now I'm going to let it come down and I'm going to torch it straight away. Okay, gotta get my little palette knife. Gotta help it over there. Now, if you're going to look for the person that came up with this idea on Instagram, you'll see that she does it much differently. She gets much different effects. There it is. And I have to fill in the corners. Oops. She gets much different effects, but I like this the way it is right now because it sort of looks like, well, the ocean, something like frothy ocean colors. And I do have to still torch a little here and there, but I'm turning it so I can see if I got all the corners done. Nope, got here, got a little bit that I have to do down here. That's okay, that's filled. Got a little bit going on here. And a corner there. Okay. That's it. Well, it's just a different way of torching, pouring, sorry about that. And I think I'll have to, I'm gonna do one more tomorrow, but I think I'll make the paint just a little thinner so it pours just a little faster. But this is interesting. You know, you don't always want to do the same pours all over, so that's it. Now, I'll hold it up a little so you can see. There you go. Gotta clean the bottom like that. And I already have paper on the table, so I can just put it on the table. That's it. Okay, got some paint left over here, and of course I'm gonna do a couple of swipes with that. Oh no, first I'm gonna show you the little thingy. Look at that. That's kind of cool, isn't it? With the little stripes going on. So I'm gonna pluck this from the table like that. And I'm going to add some white because there's silicone in there. But I don't think there's enough in it to make those really cool cells. A little bit of cells. Not really very much. See that? Just a tiny, tiny bit. I can't get you guys in focus, I think. Nope. Can't get you in focus. Sorry about that. So one more and that's it, because this is pretty much, you know, gone to one color. So let me put some blue in. And I will spray some silicone on there. And see what that does. Nah, I'm not really liking what it's doing. That's not something I'm gonna keep. And the other one, well, the white was kind of cool. I got a lot of hair in my mouth because I don't have my elastic band in my hair, as you can see. Okay, one more because I want something with cells. Let's see, let's put some more silicone on there. There. Too much paint on my palette knife. Okay, that's got a cell. Yeah. There it goes. That is kind of pretty. Let me get in close. There it is. That is kind of nice. I like this bit down here, this bit up here. This one I'll keep. The other ones are going. Okay, I had to put that away. Okay, guys, this was it for today. Tomorrow I'll be back, and I'm going to use the rest of this paint. I'm going to make it just a little thinner. I'm going to thin it up with a little bit of water because I think it needs to be just a little thinner to move a little faster on the canvas. And I will avoid this one because it has silicone, so I'll make a new white one, and I will do one without silicone whatsoever because I know a lot of people are thinking, well, I'd like to see one without the silicone, so we'll do that. And I'll be working on my video about my little vacation and the stuff I found on the beach. I found a really cool piece of vertebrae from a fish, a really big fish, and it was really picked clean, so it's only a piece of bone, but it's really beautiful. It has beautiful cells in it, and I'm going to show you that tomorrow. So thanks all for watching. This has to go, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Love you all to pieces. Bye-bye.